Hello everyone, this is Engineer Ghaffar. In the video in progress, we are going to learn about the commonly used types and methods of waterproofing in buildings. In this video, we will have a quick overview of the general types of waterproofing methods, while in other videos that will be uploaded soon, we will explain these types one by one in much detail along with their compositions, formulations, application methods, and costs. Waterproofing is generally defined as the application of a layer of impervious material which prevents water from penetrating, making the structure waterproof or water resistant so that it remains relatively unaffected by water or resisting the ingress of water. Waterproofing in building structures is required at various locations. Basement of the building, which is directly in contact with the earth surface. This area is very much prone to seepage or ingress of water from the surrounding to the building structure. Kitchen, toilet, and bathrooms. This is the place where water is continuously used for utility purpose and bathing. Always critical location for seepage. Balcony areas. At this location, water enter in monsoon season or washing of clothes and other utility works. Roof, terrace, and podium of the buildings is always open for monsoons and other seepage. Swimming pool. It is filled with water and had major chances of leakage. Water tank. Any leakage in tank can damage the terrace and seep into our rooms. Now let's have a quick overview on methods of waterproofing. There are 5 commonly used waterproofing methods in construction. Number 1, cementitious waterproofing. Number 2, liquid waterproofing membrane. Number 3, bituminous membrane. Number 4, bituminous coating. Number 5, polyurethane liquid membrane. Cementitious waterproofing method. Cementitious waterproofing is the easiest method of waterproofing in construction. The materials for cementitious waterproofing is easily available from suppliers of masonry products, and they are easy to mix and apply. This method is often used in the internal wet areas such as toilets. This method is usually a rigid or semi-flexible type waterproofing, but since it is used in internal areas such as toilets, it is not exposed to sunlight and weathering. Thus, cementitious waterproofing does not go through contract and expansion process. Cementitious waterproofing is used in water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, bridges, dams, railway and subway, marine cargo ports and docks, river locks, parking structures and lots, and tunnels. Number 2, liquid waterproofing membrane method. Liquid membrane is a thin coating which consists of usually a primer coat and 2 coats of top coats which are applied by spray, roller, or trowel. It offers more flexibility than the cementitious types of waterproofing. The liquid cures into a rubbery coating on the wall. The elongation properties of the coating can reach as high as 280%. The durability of the waterproofing coating depends on what type of polymer the manufacturer used for the making of the liquid waterproofing. Liquid waterproofing membrane can be of spray-applied liquid membrane composed of polymer-modified asphalt. Polyurethane liquid membranes in separate grades for trowel, roller, or spray are also available from various manufacturers. Number 3. Bituminous coating waterproofing method. Bituminous coating is a type of waterproofing coating used for waterproofing and flexible protective coat in accordance with its formulation and polymerization grade. Its flexibility and protection against water can be influenced by the polymer grade as well as reinforcement of fiber. Bituminous coating is also called as asphalt coating. The most common applications of bituminous coatings include areas that are beneath screed bed. It is an excellent protective coating and waterproofing agent, especially on surfaces such as concrete foundations. Bituminous coating is made up of bitumen-based materials, and it is not suitable for exposed to sunlight. It becomes very brittle and fragile when long exposure to the sunlight unless it is modified with more flexible material such as polyurethane or acrylic-based polymers. The flexibility of the finished products always depends on the solid content of the polymer added to the bitumen. Number 4. Bituminous membrane waterproofing method. Bituminous membrane waterproofing is a popular method used for low-sloped roofs due to their proven performance. Bituminous waterproofing membrane have torch-on membrane and self-adhesive membrane. Self-adhesive compounds comprise asphalt, polymers, and fillers. Additionally, certain resins and oils may be applied to improve adhesion characteristics. The self-adhesive type has low shelf life as bonding properties of the membrane reduces with time. Torch-on membrane have exposed and covered types. Exposed membrane often has mineral granular aggregate to withstand the wear and tear of the weathering, and the other types of membrane contractor need to apply one protective screed to prevent the puncture of the membrane. Number 5. Polyurethane liquid membrane waterproofing method. Polyurethane liquid membrane method of waterproofing is used for the flat roof area and exposed to weathering. This waterproofing method is expensive. Polyurethane liquid membrane can offer higher flexibility. Polyurethane is very sensitive to moisture content present. Therefore, before application, one has to be very careful evaluating the moisture content of the concrete slab. Otherwise, peeling or debonding of membranes may happen after some time. Thank you for watching.